good morning dear children. How are you all? Hope that you all are fine. So today we are going to take the new chapter. Before that, I want to ask some questions to you. Okay. Here some pictures are there. We can see these pictures. See here, stairs, then the kitchen, plank, wheelchair, then the veranda. So by seeing these all the pictures, what you are getting? Andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ stairs ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? How we will use the stairs? Yes, if you want to go somewhere, or if you want to go to the next building, the ಬೇರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೇರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು get down, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ then I will use the stairs. By using the stairs, I will get down. Then, if I want to cook the food, where I will go? Very good. I will go to the kitchen. Is it? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಾ? ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? No, they will not use the sitting room. They will not use the bedroom for the kitchen. They will use to the kitchen for the cooking. Okay. Then here one more is there, that is plank. Plank ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯ ಶೀಟು. If you want to put some heavy materials into the truck, then what you will do? You will use the plank. ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌದಾ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ they will use the plank. They will keep like this and they will pull that material and they will put it into the truck. ಹೌದಾ? Then wheelchair. What is the use of wheelchair? Very good. Especially the handicapped people, the handicapped kids, they will use the wheelchair. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ವೀಲ್ಚೇರ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ನಾಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. Okay. Then when I come to the veranda ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? Windows, door, then this balcony, everything is there here. ಆ ವರಾಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Yes, we will spend our special time, that evening time we will spend in the veranda by sitting with our family members, by having snacks, by having a cup of tea. You see? So my dear kids, today's lesson is about Gopa's chair. So what is the lesson name? Lesson number 6. Okay. Gopa's chair. So who is Gopa here and about his chair? Everything we will see in our lesson. So please open the textbook, page number 50. Okay, lesson number 9. Gopa's chair. You can see here colorful pictures are there, is it? So please open your textbook and see the lesson. Okay, you have to listen what I am reading now, then after that you can read it once again. Gopa was a little girl. Gopa is a little girl. She had a special chair. Why she is having special chair and what kind of chair that? Let's see. Her chair had wheels. It was a wheelchair. Yes. What kind of chair she is having? She is having a wheelchair. Wheelchair ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಆ ವೀಲ್ಚೇರಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is called wheelchair. Okay. It was a wheelchair. Gopa could roll the wheels and move the chair. By rolling the wheels, she is moving in her house. Maybe like our last year kids, they have seen in our school wheelchair is there. When you will come to the school, I will show you children that wheelchair. Nam school alli wheelchair ide, that I will show you when you will come here. When you will come to the school, I will show you that wheelchair without fail. Okay. So Gopa could roll the wheels and move the chair. She could go from one place to another in her chair. if she wanted to move in her house from her bedroom to the kitchen or kitchen to the living room, then how can she? So she will use the wheelchair. By rolling the wheels, she can move here and there. Okay na? Then she went around the house in it. ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವಳು ಇಡೀ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಹರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಹೌಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಶಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ದೆಮ್? By rolling the wheels, she can move the chair and she can go and meet to her friends and all. She could go to the kitchen. She could go to the veranda too. ಅವಳು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಿಚನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಎಸ್, ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರ್. But Gopa could not go into the garden. But she can't go to the garden. Why? Because some problems are there. What kind of that? There were 6 steps. The first problem is, if she wanted to go to the veranda, then she should cross 6 steps. Okay na? The wheels of Gopa's chair could not go down the steps. 6 steps. The wheels of Gopa's chair could not go down the steps. She can't go down because she can, if she want to go anywhere, she is supposed to use the wheelchair. Is it? So she can't go down to the veranda because of the steps. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So always she will be at home only. Whether all the members are sitting in the veranda, whether they are moving here and there outside, but she will be at home only. So what happens here? Gopa had a friend, Sheila. She is having a friend. Her name is Sheila. They always played inside the house. Always what they will do? They will play inside the house because of the Gopa. Is it? Why? Because she is handicapped. She can't go anywhere outside. So her friends will come to their house and they will play inside of her room or in her house. So Gopa was sad. She was sad that she could not play in the garden. Always they are supposed to play in the house. So now Gopa is getting bored. She is feeling very bad. I wanted to go to the garden. I want to play outside like others, but I can't go outside. So she is expressing that feeling in front of Sheila. One day Sheila got a large wooden plank. That I have shown you here. ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಶೀಟ್ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು? Sheila got a large wooden plank. And what she have done with that? She put it over the steps like Gopa ಈಗ ಮನೆ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಹೌದಾ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, they are supposed to get down here. So ಅವಳೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ plank, she kept that big size of plank here. Then they make Gopa's wheelchair to come down. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. She put it over the step. Can you guess what happened? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟ್ಲ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? So Gopa's mother slowly pulled the wheelchair down the plank. Gopa's mother, what she had done? She was start to pull the chair slowly to, yes, with the help of plank, she tried to pull that chair and she will try to give that happiness to the Gopa. Gopa's mother slowly pulled the wheelchair down the plank. Gopa was in the garden. Now she came to the garden. After a long time, Gopa entered in the garden. She was very happy. Now Gopa could play with her friends in the garden. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Now she is in the garden and she is very happy. She is on wheelchair only. Okay, and her friends are there here, and now she is very happy. Now she can play in garden also with the help of that wooden plank. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಆ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಆ ಮೆಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳಿಗೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಸಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, not to increase the problems, is it? You have to think how to solve the problem, how can we help to the neighbors, how can we help to our friends and all. Okay, so my dear children, this is the lesson of today. Once again I will go through the reading and you have to read it after me. Lesson number 6, Gopa's chair. Gopa was a little girl. She had a special chair. Her chair had wheels. It was a wheelchair. Gopa could roll the wheels and move the chair. She could go from one place to another in her chair. She went around the house in it. She could go to the kitchen. She could go to the veranda too. But Gopa could not go into the garden. There were 6 steps. The wheels of Gopa's chair could not go down the steps. Gopa had a friend, Sheila. They always played inside the house. Gopa was sad that she could not play in the garden. One day, Sheila got a large wooden plank. She put it over the steps. Can you guess what happened? Gopa's mother slowly pulled the wheelchair down the plank. Gopa was in the garden. She was very happy. Now Gopa could play with her friends in the garden. Okay, now so here now we have seen about Gopa, about the wheelchairs and about her friends, how they have taken the help with that plank. ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅವಳು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಸಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. So first I will go for the plural forms. Plurals of. So first here I will write the singular forms. Which are those? Like I can take chair, okay, wheel, plank, step. Will you give me the answer? What is the plural of chair? Yes,
chairs.
Chairs. Very good. After finishing of each word, you should put the full stop. That you should keep in our mind. Wheel, wheels. Excellent. Plank,
Planks.
planks. Very good, dear. Step,
Steps.
steps. Very good, very good. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, these are the plurals. Now I will take some opposite words. Okay, the next grammar point is opposites of. Opposites of. So here first one is go, to, is. Okay, day, you. So here 5 opposite words I have written. So will you give me the answer? What is the opposite of go?
Come.
Come. Very good. C-O-M-E, come. To,
From.
from. Very good. F-R-O-M, from. Is.
Was.
Was. Very good. Day.
Night.
Excellent. Night. You.
Me.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರಬೇಕು? Yes. Me. So these are the opposite words. Then my dear children, in the next class I will send the PDF of this lesson that you have to write in your CW without any mistakes. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ದಂಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಆ PDF ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ CW ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಲೆಸನ್ 1ಇಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸಿನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅದ್ರ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಮೀ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ HW. ಓಕೆ, ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ HW ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಫೋಟೋ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಆ ದಿನದ್ದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ PDF notes. I will send the homework to you people. According to that homework, which lesson I will ask and how many mains I will ask, those many mains you have to write in your HW and take a photo, make it PDF and then send it to me. Okay, till the next video, next episode, take care, see you.